everyone, my name is Hua. Now I would like to talk about the table manner of international. My presentation consists of two parts. Part 1 is the regulations of system and part 2 regulations of the table. The first is regulations of system. The flashcards are used for a formal dinner for more than four. The rest of only sits to the right of the hostage and host. A man usually sitting next to a woman. The table of president if a government official or member of the military or diplomatic service are guests. As very formal dinner, a gentleman may be given a small envelope containing a card with the name of his female dinner partner. As very formal dinner with men sits as soon as they feel the blessing, but the man should stand at the blessing until the hostage is seated or the host signal to be seated. In the traditional order, man holds the chair of the women on his right. However, women today may seat themselves if they wish. The second is regulation at the table. There are some guidelines for the guests needs to remember. For the par, before ordering, be certain it's your turn. You should drink with your left hand, so the right hand, so your right, so your right hand is ready for handshakes, and look for at the sideboards of table. Sideboards or table to place your empty glasses and glasses. You should not tip the bartender unless there is a cash bar. For pastry service, you should put it on a plate or napkin before eating. You should not take the over directly from the tray to your munch and should not talk, eat and drink at the same time. For a buffet table, you should pick up places and help yourself and use a fresh plate when return to the buffet for second. You should not return for platefuls after platefuls. For food station, you hold different kind of food, ethnic specialty, vegetarian dish. You should not frequent only once. For reserving large, women receive the escort through the light. If there is no one announcing guest, then the guest introduces herself to the first person in the receiving line, shakes hands and briefly exchange a few pleasant words. She is then passed along with an introduction to the next person in the line, shakes hands and say a few words. At very formal dinner, women and men sit at a different table in Vietnam. People often use chopstick inside the knife or fork. Vietnamese people do not have the habit of starters. They used to have the mascot. This is my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.